I'm going to CES. CES is the global stage where next generation innovators are introduced to the marketplace. Hour 1. Bye! Alright, oh, maybe I need a microphone. I'm gonna be in Vegas for 8 hours, I think. Last week, Joel Telling messaged me and he asked if I was going. He said, why don't you just do a 24-hour Rockstar trip? He explained to me that it's just when you go to a place for 24 hours and come back. So that's what I'm doing. A 20-hour trip to and from Vegas to CES. That's my luggage.
Just to secure yourself first.
Hour 6. Thank you. Thank you so much. I went to pick up my badge here and they're sending me, I don't know. My favorite showcase was the Google Home Hub. This is not sponsored by Google. I just really liked their booth. It was basically a building.
Directly from your calendar.
Cosa ti piace fare mentre sei a Las Vegas?
What do you like to do while you're in Las Vegas?
And they had a Starbucks and they were giving out free nitro cold brew. The best part was the ride. This was like a Disney grade type of ride. They had animatronics, they had a great song, and there was a picture taken. And I'm gonna put it at the end of this video. I filmed the whole thing and I wanna share it with you.
So you will get the email with the photos as well as the code for free to go home.
Oh wow.
Yes.
What?
Oh wow! What?
Thank you, Google. That was insane. Ow! Now I need to find people and not use my battery. It's only hour 8 and I only have one battery.
And you got to start with reality, and this is actually a simulated great white shark. And say, well, what might the physics of that animal be? But it's going to be on a prehistoric piece. It's going to be on something that's 90 feet long.
Hour 9.
So you get a bit closer, and all the discrete details of this shark and how it's moving. And pretty hungry for Randy here.
Deep machine learning to run these patterns.
I haven't seen anything that impressive.
And you're welcome.
Go going to the South Hall. I need to meet up with Haddington Dynamics. They're the ones who gave me the ticket. And hopefully Joel Telling is there too. Maybe a little bit early for him to be there, but because he was going to be somewhere else. This is cool. It's like backstage. CES backstage over here. Oh. Very fancy. Thank you. Hour 10. I made it to the South Hall. I made a video with this one time.
We call it physical coding.
Look who I found. Don't hide behind me. It's Adrian from Instagram. So what are we gonna do now?
I don't know. I have no agenda, so we're just gonna look at all the fancy stuff everywhere.
Yes!
This costs $200. What? This costs $200.
We haven't eaten. It's hour 12, I think. Starting to get hungry. This real food? Oh, those are not tacos. I saw fajitas and guacamole, but that's not it.
So when you stop the machine,
It takes about 90 minutes to get the first
90
loaf.
minutes to it.
And then every 6 minutes after it's full. Probably for that, but they do make air drill versions.
Hour 13 or 14, I'm not sure which one I'm in, but I found this really cool 3D printed robot arm, and this is James from Haddington Dynamics. Do you want to talk more about it?
Yeah, so I'm a co-founder here at Haddington Dynamics. I'm also the lead engineer. I write all the math and all the software for the robot, which no one will ever appreciate because you can't see it.
I'm sorry, I love math.
Yeah?
So I appreciate it.
Okay, our product is Dexter. So it's a 3D printed robotic arm. It has a supercomputer built in, and it's all carbon fiber. So it's super, super light, but also super, super strong. So this lets you do crazy stuff like measure force. It's a torque sensor in each joint.
What kind of crazy stuff have you done
So
with it?
we were throwing cotton balls at the robot, and it could detect the force of the cotton ball hitting the robot.
Oh my god.
Which is all cool, but what can you actually do with that? The stuff we're trying to do is the micro making. You can go down and feel grains of rice. You can pick up a grain of rice and feel it. It feels like a football. You can measure the weight of the grain of rice. There's an Arduino interface on the end. If you know how to use Arduino, you can just like program that up.
I have so many use cases already for this. I'm really proud to say that Haddington Dynamics gave me a ticket to go to CES, and that's because I really, really like what they're doing and their product, and walking around CES representing them was pretty cool.
The maker movement is great. A lot of people are just buying this for themselves.
I know, I want one so bad.
Walking around a con floor, any con, you're going to find yourself drained because you just need some sort of food. And you can't have large amounts of food or else it's going to weigh you down. So you just need these quick little bites of yummy.
Yummy.
Everything here is cool. There's nothing here that wowed me. Everything is really, really cool.
So, we just found something that I really need. It's a chocolate 3D printer, and it looks amazing. It's a little bear! Or is it a cat? It's a lucky cat.
It's the lucky cat.
Don't mess up with that.
3D print it into your mouth. I like it a lot.
This is our model village printed in poly smooth. You go from just a regular 3D printed part, this platform rises up, you put your part inside and creates a mist, and then it's fully hard after that.
It was like robot heaven. I was happy with the robot part.
get to the airport.
Excuse me, where can I get an Uber?
Everyone's waiting on an Uber. I don't know if I'm gonna make it.
All these people here, they're all waiting on Uber.
Made it.
The next mission is finding water and food.
I'm happy to find you.
That was good. My CES review is, it's alright, but you really don't get the full experience through blog posts and videos. I think the real experience is going there and talking to the people, because that's where I learned the most. And that was my favorite part about CES. I'm starting to see a trend here, but again, it's the people.
Oh, each part.
Yeah, and
Yeah. That would work.
Oh, I got that on video.
Are you disappointed? Are you?
Jeez, dude.
Dude, I just get like half the bag on that
You
one?
just took my score.
Here's the full Google ride.
Good morning, honey.
Hey.
Estefannie?
Yeah.
Is that coffee?
Yes.
You're getting all hopped up first thing in the morning?
Yeah.
Oh, I know. Are we recording something?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Are we gonna go viral?
You hopefully.
Oh my gosh. Good thing I had my hair done.
Welcome to the Google Assistant Ride. Part theme park attraction, part marketing stunt. Let's be honest with ourselves here. It's a joyful journey through life's twists and turns with everyone's favorite digital assistant.
Honey, wake up. Wake up. I'm running off to the airport. Whatever you do, please don't forget the cake for Grandma's birthday tomorrow, okay?
And thus begins our epic tale of trials, tribulations, and seamless product demonstrations. Please keep your hands, arms, legs, feet, lanyards, $20 minibar almonds inside the train at all times. Hey Google, play the Google Assistant ride.
Okay, playing the Google Assistant ride.
It's like Armageddon, and it's not even 8. No matter how much you threaten, you're still gonna be late. Liz has toothpaste in her hair, and Frank has milk in his eyes. They shaved the dog's hair, and he's looking surprised. It's just another early morning in complete disarray. Now what you got on today? Hey Google, tell me about my day.
Good morning, boss. It's 7:32 a.m. Right now in Peoria, it's 52 and cloudy with storms on the way.
Oh, great.
You have one reminder for today. Don't forget Grandma's birthday cake.
Oh, yep, we're on it. You guys see that robot cat on a skateboard? It's pretty cool. Hey Google, take me to the bakery.
Okay, starting navigation.
The traffic's appalling. You honk and you shout. The vein in your forehead starts popping out. Feels like you've been here forever and a day. And guess what, folks? We're not even halfway. Hey Google, send Jane my ETA.
Okay, message sent.
Thank you. There's a crack and a boom, thunder and lightning. This journey for Cake Man, it's getting quite frightening. But a digital assistant cannot feel fear. Its real-time mapping will be sure to give you a steer. When there's something in your way, well, here's what you hear.
Slow down ahead. I found a faster route.
How much better is this? Navigational bliss. Hey everybody, look, there's a camera. Smile, make it look like you're having the time of your life. Hey Google, pull up that email about the cake.
Here's what I found.
You found a place where they only speak French. Non-parler anglais, you feel everything clench. Ah, for Pete's sake, how you gonna ask for that cake? Hey Google, be my French interpreter.
Je viens récupérer le gâteau pour grand-mère.
Merci, monsieur, monsieur, merci. You bake the best cakes I ever did see. Merci, monsieur, monsieur, merci. You bake the best cakes I ever did see. Now it's all hush. Lights off in the house. Crouch down, stay still, be as quiet as a mouse. Here she comes, our birthday girl. Are you ready to surprise her? On the ride of her
Grandma's at the front door.
life. Hey Google, party mode.
Okay, turning on 6 lights and playing Grandma's playlist on YouTube Music.
And now on your left, another photo mode. Hey Google, take a group selfie.
Okay, opening app.
Ooh, nice, I'm sending that one to your boss. It's the end of our ride. We hope you're in a good mood. Take care, disembarking. Hey, we don't want to get sued. We hope to show that you can overcome things. Just remember you can get help with a simple vocal hit. All you need is a little nudge from the Google Assistant. Oh, on this ride of your life.
Wow.
Hi, sir. How are you? Good, how are you?